I have to give a closing address about the workshop on what is creativity. We have spent a wonderful time during these days. We have enjoyed interesting talks, demonstrations, and stimulating discussions. Fortunately, Kyoto University OpenCourseware will provide almost all talks through our website in the future. In addition, the proceedings will be published through John Wiley, as I mentioned. I would like to ask you to write some papers in the future. Next year, 2009, is just 200 years since Charles Darwin was born. So we are already planned to organize again the international meeting on what is evolution. So we have arranged different speakers. And before closing my address, I would like to address thankfulness to Ms. Tsuruhara-san, the secretary. Not here. I would like to thank you very much. Okay, finally, I hope all of you will enjoy the rest of the day in Kyoto and in Japan, and return your home with wonderful memories. Thank you once again, and thank you for your cooperation and kindness. Bye-bye.